Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Facebook Ads Manager. To begin, access your business settings within Facebook Business Manager. Once there, navigate to the Security Center section. This is where you will find the business verification status. It's a crucial first step to ensure your advertising efforts are compliant and trusted. This process helps secure your business assets and enables access to advanced advertising features, making your campaigns more effective and reliable. For successful verification, you'll need to prepare specific legal business documents. These include items like your business license or certificate of incorporation. Additionally, gather official documents that clearly show your business name and address, such as recent utility bills or bank statements. It is absolutely essential that all the information on these documents precisely matches the details you have entered into your business manager. Any discrepancies could delay the verification process significantly. Once your documents are ready, click the Start Verification button and carefully follow the on-screen prompts. You will then be asked to upload the required documents. Ensure they are clear, legible, and complete. You will also need to provide accurate contact information for the verification process, which typically includes a phone number or an email address. Double-check all entries before submitting to avoid any potential setbacks or requests for resubmission. After submitting your application, it's important to regularly check the Security Center for updates on your verification status. Facebook typically reviews these applications within a few business days, though sometimes it can take a little longer. Be prepared to provide any additional information if requested by Facebook to complete the process. Once verified, you will gain full access to all the features and benefits of a verified Ads Manager account, enhancing your advertising capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.